Plant FAQs. Canna Tuerckheimii. Have you ever seen a plant that demands attention? The Canna Tuerckheimii, also known as the giant canna, is a showstopper in the world of flowering plants. Have been growing cannas for years, and this variety never fails to impress me with its size and vibrant blooms. In this FAQ, I'll answer all your burning questions about this tropical giant, from its origins to its care routine. What is Canna Tuerckheimii? The Canna Tuerckheimii is a species belonging to the Cannaceae family. This herbaceous beauty boasts enormous green leaves that can reach up to 2 feet in length. But its true claim to fame is its height. Towering at a maximum of 16 feet, the Canna Tuerckheimii is a true giant among its canna cousins. Named after Hans von Tuerckheim, a 19th-century German plant collector, this canna produces clusters of orange-red blooms in mid to late summer. Despite its impressive stature, the flowers themselves are relatively small, creating a captivating contrast against the massive foliage. How to care for Canna Tuerckheimii. While the Canna Tuerckheimii may seem intimidating, caring for it is surprisingly straightforward. Here's what you need to know. Light. This canna thrives in full sun, receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Plant your Canna Tuerckheimii in well-draining, fertile soil. Amending your soil with compost or organic matter will help retain moisture. Watering. Water your Canna Tuerckheimii regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim for the soil to be consistently moist but not soggy. Fertilizer. During the growing season, you can feed your canna with a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Opt for a water-soluble fertilizer for easier application. Winter care. In colder climates, the Canna Tuerckheimii is not frost-tolerant. You can either dig up the rhizomes, underground stems, before the first frost and store them in a cool, frost-free location, or pot your canna and bring it indoors for the winter. Pro tip: mulch around the base of your Canna Tuerckheimii to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. How to propagate Canna Tuerckheimii. There are 2 main ways to propagate your Canna Tuerckheimii. Division. The most common method is through rhizome division. In spring, carefully dig up the mature plant and use a sharp knife to divide the rhizomes into sections, each with at least 1 growth bud. Replant the divisions and water them regularly. Seed. While less common, you can also propagate Canna Tuerckheimii from seeds. However, germination can be slow and seedlings may take longer to reach maturity. Important note: seeds produced by Canna Tuerckheimii may not always grow into true-to-type plants. What to plant with Canna Tuerckheimii. The Canna Tuerckheimii makes a bold statement in the garden. Here are some ideas for companion plants that will complement its grandeur. Lower-growing flowering plants. Cannas like petunias, impatiens, or begonias will add pops of color at the base of the Canna Tuerckheimii. Ornamental grasses. The flowing texture of ornamental grasses like feather reed grass or maiden grass creates a lovely contrast with the broad leaves of the canna. Other tall plants. Cannas like elephant ears or castor beans can create a stunning tropical effect when planted alongside the Canna Tuerckheimii. Remember, when choosing companion plants, consider their sun and water requirements to ensure they all thrive in the same location. With its majestic presence and vibrant blooms, the Canna Tuerckheimii is a conversation starter in any garden. By following these simple care tips and choosing the right companions, you can enjoy this tropical giant for years to come.